Hello there YouTube. This is a quick video to show you that I made some changes to the model of the buck converters, which is dual buck converters. This one I made one buck converter out of it because I won't be needing two, because let me explain. At the moment this is a serial connection from the parts cooling fan connector. It's connected there. So if I'm running on 255 fan speed, which is full speed, now it's divided by 24 volts divided by 12 volts. It's working fine so far, but when I get my new breakboard in, I will be changing the setup to this. So what I'm doing here is I'm using one buck converter that gets from main parts cooling fan. No, sorry, from the hot end fan. It's gonna come up to here, and which is here. It's coming here, and I know these cables are interchanged because these G-Tech cables that come from Amazon, they are well, the red cable is upside down with the black one, so I had to adjust it here, but this side is normal. So the fan gives 24 volts. The hot end fan gives 24 volts till here. It comes here. Buck converter converts it to steps down it to 12 volts. Comes here, and from here it's gonna connect to the hot end fan. For the parts cooling fan, I am thinking of using it as this. So on the slicer settings, I'm gonna make the fan go half speed, which is like this. Yes. At the moment when I'm doing this, it's going to 6 volts instead of 12 volts. So you see the fan is actually almost not spinning, which is the half speed. On the camera it looks like it's almost not spinning, but with bare eye it does spin, both of them. But this is not enough as well. So but when I'm doing this on a 24 volts output that goes to just the fan, on the Noctua fan, it will be 12 volts, because the half of speed that you're giving to the Cura slicer settings equals to 12 volts instead of 24 volts. So I won't be needing any buck converter or a Zener diode in between those two lines, because that's what's actually gonna cause issues with a PWM connection that you're using with a Zener diode or a buck converter. I've also heard from someone that you could also get from the mains, like here plus minus, like positive negative. You can route this positive here, and then the negative goes from here. So this cable doesn't connect here but here, and then from the negative you go to your line from these two ends. I tried that, and what I was getting is 24 volts instead of 12 volts that the buck converter is actually supposed to give, because I changed it to 12 volts. So I didn't get it. I don't understand what the schematics are saying. I don't, maybe it's for another setup. If somebody knows more about this, you can comment in the section in the comments in the below. But at the moment I am going to give this a shot, well, when the breakboard gets in anyways, and otherwise I'm gonna keep this setup, which is working fine at the moment. But I just don't like the fact, look, it's just kicking in. Yeah, I don't like the fact that I'm just using one fan connection instead of two. So and when the print finishes, the hot end fan stops with cooling, which is actually an issue. Then I have to manually adjust the fan speed back to 255, which is 100%. Otherwise the filament can get clogged, and that's what I'm trying to eliminate in the future by changing the setup to this model instead of this one as well. So this model could be useful, but at the moment I don't see any potential in this, and it's also, as I said in the last video, too big. It would be blocking it like this, which is, this one is much smaller. It's also blocking it like this, but not as much as the other one would. You can see, you can just not see this part. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, hit the thumbs down if you don't like the video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, subscribe to my channel, and have a good weekend. Bye.